Hey guys, it's your girl Yall and Stella, and I am back with a how-to DIY tutorial on how to make these bar chairs. Stay tuned. So I found these chairs and they were literally a steal. So I paid $50 for both bar stools or bar chairs, and about, I'm gonna say maybe $30 for the fabric, because it was an outdoor fabric, and I did get maybe about 2.5 yards of this fabric to put on the chairs. So as you can see, when I first started making the chair, I did add additional cushions to it to help make it a little bit softer when you sit your butt on it, as it did have padding already, but I wanted additional comfort. So I placed the fabric that I got from Joannes. I placed it horizontally on the top of the chair first, and what I did was then, after putting the cushion on and putting the fabric over, I started stapling the front of the chair to the back of the chair. Then I started working on the side of the wings temporarily, as it would be held down by the velcro, but as soon as I worked with the bottom part of the chair, that's when I actually had to take the winged portion off and kind of let it just sit there and kind of attach the fabric on the bottom to the base of the chair where the velcro was at the bottom. So the next thing I'm doing is cutting like a U shape around the edge of the chair, and the goal is to give it a clean look on the edge. As you can see, I did do a close-up, and what I did is kind of fix the front up first of the chair edge, and I fixed the side. Really, it's just a game of folding and tucking and having the velcro keep it down, and then whatever the velcro is unable to attach to, the other option is to staple the rest of it. So as you can see, this is really for beginners. Doesn't take much skill at all. All you have to know how to do is cut, fold, and tuck, and basically be able to use a stapler. I mean, the velcro part is really self-explanatory. You just stick on the fabric, but the stapling portion is really just finding what areas you need to staple under the chair and trying to keep the clean edges and the back, which is commonly seen along with the side, as clean and smooth looking as possible. So the goal is no visible staples. Everything should be hidden. Because of the fabric that I used, it was pretty stiff in regards to holding up on its own, and I did not need to use cardboard to hold the flaps up on the side that I made with the fabric. Don't get me wrong, because it's an outdoor fabric, it does still feel very soft. It's just firm enough where it will keep a position, and really didn't need any additional support because of that. So that was pretty nice in regards to this outdoor fabric design. As you can see, this is the finished look of the first chair. I did buy 2 chairs. Altogether, it took me about 3 hours to complete both the chairs. So what I'm going to do is show you a sped up version of each step that I took to make the second chair. The same steps were repeated, and I pretty much tried my best to get a similar look by taking all the steps that I took from the first chair. This project was one of my favorite upholstery projects that I took on, just because I am obsessed with this dark blue color, and it really did add a definition or a brighter look in my kitchen that I had in my apartment. Also, the chair is very soft now that I added the extra cushion on top of the cushion that I already had. So definitely sitting on it is very comfortable and plush, and it will make eating at the kitchen bar table or kitchen island very comfy. Also, what added some texture or an updated look was adding those winged back looking sides. It's different. So as you can see, this is the finished look of my chairs, both of them being upholstered in about 3 hours. And it's the before and after. Guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Yall and Stella, for more DIYs from me. Thanks, guys. Bye.